Ayurveda, an ancient system of medicine originating in India, emphasizes the holistic connection between the mind, body, and spirit. In Ayurveda, the mind and the skin are intricately connected, and imbalances in mental health can manifest as skin issues. The holistic approach of Ayurvedic skincare recognizes that treating the skin requires addressing the root causes, which often lie in mental and emotional well-being. Ayurveda classifies individuals into 3 doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Each dosha is associated with certain characteristics, and imbalances can affect mental and physical health. For example, excess Vata may lead to anxiety and dry skin, while an aggravated Pitta dosha can result in anger and inflammatory skin conditions. Kapha imbalances may contribute to lethargy and oily skin. Ayurveda recognizes the impact of stress on overall health, including the skin. Stress can disturb the balance of doshas, leading to various skin issues such as acne, eczema, or psoriasis. Practices like meditation and breathing exercises, pranayama, are recommended to manage stress and restore doshic balance. In Ayurveda, healthy digestion is crucial for radiant skin. Impaired digestion can lead to the accumulation of toxins, ama, in the body, affecting both mental well-being and skin health. Ayurvedic dietary guidelines focus on balancing the doshas through appropriate food choices and mindful eating. Establishing a daily routine aligns with natural circadian rhythms, promoting balance in the doshas. This includes practices such as oil pulling, tongue scraping, and self-massage, abhyanga, which nourish the skin and calm the mind. Regular meditation and yoga help manage stress, balance doshas, and enhance overall well-being. Specific yoga poses can be recommended based on one's predominant dosha. Ayurvedic herbs like neem, turmeric, and aloe vera are known for their skin healing properties. Internally, herbs like Brahmi and ashwagandha are used to support mental health and balance the nervous system. Ayurvedic skincare involves using natural ingredients suitable for your dosha. For instance, Pitta types may benefit from cooling herbs, while Vata individuals may need more nourishing and warming ingredients. Pranayama practices enhance mental clarity and balance the doshas. Alternate nostril breathing, nadi shodhana, is particularly effective for harmonizing the nervous system. In Ayurveda, the mind-skin connection is integral to achieving holistic health. By addressing mental well-being through practices like meditation, yoga, and personalized skincare routines, individuals can achieve a harmonious balance that reflects in both their mental state